Welcome to the Iraqi Dinar Update channel, your trusted source for the latest news, analysis, and insights on the Iraqi dinar. We provide up-to-date information on exchange rates, economic developments, and key financial trends affecting Iraq's currency. Whether you're an investor, trader, or simply keeping an eye on the market, our channel delivers accurate reports, expert opinions, and government policy updates to keep you informed. Stay tuned for real-time updates and in-depth discussions on the future of the Iraqi dinar. Iraq's exchange rate remains a controlled mechanism rather than a fully liberalized, market-driven system that reflects its real effective exchange rate, RER, on an international scale. Despite various financial and monetary policy adjustments undertaken by the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, the country has not yet transitioned to a currency valuation that allows seamless cross-border transactions or full integration into the global Forex market. The Iraqi dinar, while technically listed on Forex trading platforms, does not operate in a way that enables unrestricted conversion or real-time market fluctuations based on supply and demand dynamics. This situation results in a gap between its official exchange rate, the parallel market rate, and what a true internationally recognized RER would imply for the currency's actual value in a global economic framework. For a currency to gain real international utility, it must be supported by a robust and modernized banking infrastructure capable of handling cross-border payments, settlements, and financial instruments in real time. Iraq's banking system, while making strides in digital transformation and compliance with international banking standards, is still undergoing significant reforms. Issues such as weak correspondent banking relationships, limited access to global clearing systems, and the continued impact of U.S. sanctions on certain Iraqi banks hinder the country's ability to fully integrate its currency into the international financial system. Until these issues are addressed, the dinar's practical usability in cross-border transactions will remain restricted. A key factor in achieving a genuine RER-based exchange rate and cross-border utility is the introduction of a flexible exchange rate mechanism, such as a managed float or full floating exchange rate system. Currently, the dinar operates under a heavily managed exchange rate regime, where the CBI plays a dominant role in maintaining price stability by controlling foreign currency auctions and regulating liquidity in the financial system. While this approach helps stabilize the domestic economy, it does not allow the currency to find its true international value through open market mechanisms. A transition toward a floating exchange rate would enable the dinar to respond to real market conditions, adjusting its value based on economic fundamentals rather than administrative controls. Furthermore, the inclusion of the dinar in major Forex trading platforms in a meaningful way would require broader financial reforms, increased transparency, and stronger investor confidence in Iraq's monetary policies. Forex markets function based on liquidity, ease of conversion, and trust in a country's economic management. At present, the dinar is not widely traded in the same manner as other global currencies, as most Forex brokers do not offer it as a major or even minor trading pair with significant liquidity. This lack of active participation in Forex markets limits the currency's ability to be used for international transactions or speculative trading, which in turn restricts its international acceptance. Another crucial element for Iraq's transition to an internationally viable exchange rate is the strengthening of economic fundamentals that underpin the currency's value. A RER-based exchange rate requires a stable and diversified economy, low inflation, and strong foreign exchange reserves to support currency stability. Iraq, despite its vast oil wealth, continues to grapple with economic vulnerabilities such as overdependence on oil revenues, fiscal deficits, and structural inefficiencies in public sector management. These factors contribute to periodic instability in the exchange rate, discouraging foreign investors and international financial institutions from engaging with the dinar in a meaningful way. The role of international financial organizations such as the International Monetary Fund, IMF, is also significant in guiding Iraq toward a more open and market-driven exchange rate system. The IMF regularly conducts Article 4 consultations with Iraq, assessing its financial policies, exchange rate mechanisms, and macroeconomic stability. These consultations often highlight the need for further financial liberalization, improved governance in monetary policy, and enhanced regulatory frameworks to support the dinar's internationalization. However, policy implementation remains slow, and political considerations often influence financial decisions, delaying necessary reforms. One of the major hurdles in achieving an internationally recognized RER for the dinar is Iraq's ongoing struggle with capital controls and foreign exchange restrictions. The government and central bank impose various measures to regulate currency flows, prevent capital flight, and maintain economic stability. While these controls may serve short-term stabilization purposes, they also limit the natural market forces that determine a currency's real value. Investors and businesses operating in Iraq often face difficulties in converting large sums of dinars into foreign currencies, further reinforcing the perception that the currency lacks full international usability. Geopolitical factors also play a role in the dinar's limited cross-border functionality. Iraq's geopolitical positioning, historical conflicts, and ongoing regional tensions impact investor sentiment and economic stability. International investors and financial institutions often assess a country's political and economic risks before engaging with its currency on a large scale. While Iraq has made progress in stabilizing its domestic environment, lingering concerns about governance, corruption, and regulatory consistency deter broader financial engagement with the dinar. Until these issues are resolved, achieving a true REER-based exchange rate with cross-border utility will remain a challenge. In conclusion, while Iraq has taken steps toward financial reform and economic modernization, it has not yet achieved an international REER-based exchange rate with full cross-border utility. The dinar remains a domestically managed currency with limited Forex market participation and restricted usability in international transactions. Overcoming these challenges will require significant structural reforms, enhanced monetary policies, and a commitment to integrating Iraq's financial system with global markets. Until these fundamental changes occur, the dinar will continue to operate in a constrained manner, rather than as a fully convertible and internationally recognized currency. Thank you for tuning in to the Iraqi Dinar Update channel. We appreciate your support and engagement as we continue to bring you the latest news, analysis, and updates on the Iraqi dinar. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update. Stay connected with us for real-time insights, expert discussions, and market trends. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching for the latest on the Iraqi dinar. See you in the next update.